Alright, welcome back to another video. So today's video is the first in a series. I just got this 2025 Ford Maverick. It's the hybrid all-wheel drive that just came out this year. As you can see, I've got a series of projects already started on it. Just some stuff like a dash cam and stuff. But the first and topic of this video is going to be upgrading the lighting on the rear. So the main purpose for this is I'm going to be upgrading the third brake light to a flashing LED. So basically how it works, you step on the brakes, the light flashes 3 times and then stays solid red. This really does help in, bumper to bumper traffic in the city when you're on the highway. If traffic slows quickly, it helps give a little bit of additional warning to try to avoid a rear end collision. I've become very aware of that ever since I was rear-ended on the highway a few years ago. So I always do this upgrade to all my vehicles. And then while I'm in there, I'm going to be getting rid of those halogen bulbs and replacing them with LEDs. I'll have links in the description to all the parts I'm using in the video. This is actually a very easy project, it just takes a couple minutes. Alright, so I've got a T20 Torx bit on here. Just going to loosen all these screws. Essentially this whole thing just pops right out. See behind here, it's actually pretty easy. I just turn this here. These are all 3 regular little, these are 912s, I believe. So the brighter version is 921. They're the same basic bulb size. Try not to touch the chips with your fingers. Pop these in. Now, if I remember right, I don't think the polarity really matters on these, but we're going to double check before we screw all this back together. That just by hitting the unlock button. You can see they came on. Alright, now this last one, this is a different brand here. Intelli. So it will help to have someone with you so you can test this one out. Same thing, we'll just pop it in there. Okay. Take a quick peek at it. Okay. Again. One more time. Alright, so there's the finished product. It's very bright. And the LEDs look much better. Cool. I like how it looks. Alright, so again, I'll have a link in the description for all the parts I used. Just a quick, easy video. Just put the screws back in, don't over tighten them, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.